Hey, you're watching Handmade Love by Rashmi, and today we're going to make this beautiful frame for the Valentines. And I'm using a heart mold from Molds and Art Supplies and pouring in my resin mix. This is a 3:1 resin which I'm using. Fill the mold to a very thin layer because this mold doesn't have too much of depth. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to watch more such tutorials. Now, once I've completely poured it down to a very thin layer, I'm going to do a little floral arrangement. These 3D florals are readily available with Molds and Art Supplies, so you can order your box and start creating this right away. The kits for the same will also be available, so make sure you check the description for the same. I'm adding a lot of gypsos and different flowers and stamens, and you can also dry them in a book or silica and use those. Beautiful rose from Valentine's last year, which I had preserved, and this frame was totally made for that purpose, wherein I can add and showcase that piece. Once I'm happy with the arrangement, I'm just gonna pour in some more resin over the flowers so that each of them is nicely soaked. The frame with a little bit of gold foil on all the edges. Just add these gold flakes, mix them in the resin, and then on the sides also I'm adding these silver glitzy stones and a sticker which says you are loved. Everybody loves these stickers and they're great addition to your pieces to add a little personalized touch. Make sure you immerse that completely, and now you're going to let it cure for 24 hours in pearls for an added beauty. This is how the piece looks once it's completely cured. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you leave some love in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.